Hi, I want to share with you my own experience with the best platform in the best fleet maintenance software category. After testing many sites, I chose the most effective one for me. I've been working with it for more than 7 years. So let me tell you 5 beneficial secrets that only few people know about, but that makes it the best in the top 5 best fleet maintenance software category. I'm going to leave the link to the official website below this video. Make sure to check it out. Let's not waste time and let's get started.
What is eMain CMMS? Highly customizable eMain CMMS software adapts to the needs of various industries, including fleet maintenance and management. Capture, store and analyze critical fleet data and ensure regulatory compliance. You can track work order completions, daily or hourly vehicle usage, fuel consumption, maintenance history, and another total cost of ownership metrics. Use the eMain dashboard to capture and track a comprehensive view of maintenance activity. Best for manufacturing, food processing, oil and gas, utilities, education, healthcare, warehousing, facilities management, service providers, construction, municipalities, distribution, fleet, and packaging. Pricing details. Rather than a one-size-fits-all approach, eMain offers a range of subscription plans designed to fit your budget, goals, and desired direction. eMain's Team Edition is available at $69 per user per month, 3-user package. The Professional Edition is available at $85 per user per month, 3 or more users. And the Enterprise Edition is available at $120 per user per month, 5 or more users. Pros: I am overall satisfied and would not change even with my issues. Customer support is excellent and they are always willing to support my request. You can combine good functions from other popular platforms to create a unique experience that fits your organization. Good implementation and great support for this product. I have had a good experience. They have done their best to implement a software solution that fits our needs and helped customize some features that help our user base. Cons: dislike the inability to create usernames. The system must create them. It is tough to track component failure. I would like a history of components changed on a machine, but I don't know if this is possible. It is web-based, which is part of the issues. Once you realize shortcuts, it makes for a usable experience. It was hard for the residents to input the work orders themselves. What is QuickBase? QuickBase empowers enterprise organizations to quickly turn ideas into applications that make them more efficient, informed, and productive. Streamline the processes and data used across your fleet teams in an agile platform to reduce equipment spending and increase fleet efficiency. Provide visibility and accessibility to a single source of truth across fleet trends, spending, and status from the office or the field, and minimize complexity and miscommunication from disconnected teams and activities. Best for business problem solvers and IT leaders looking to unleash the problem-solving power of everyone in their business to innovate every day. Pricing details. 30-day free trial, no credit card required. Team, from $600 per month for up to 50 custom business apps. Option for annual billing. Business, $2,000 per month for up to 100 custom business apps. Opportunity for yearly billing. Enterprise, contact QuickBase for pricing information. Pros: overall, I like QuickBase and have found it beneficial in my role of assigning tasks and managing the work of my other team members. Easy to find and locate previous tickets for prior projects and work. Ability to make subtasks of projects allows works to be split up and assigned. There are other reports that we use QB for, and it is a good way for us to communicate with our team without having to send multiple emails out. I highly recommend companies or users looking to customize workflows or other applications. Cons: you can manipulate security access, but if someone makes a wrong move and deletes a profile or worse, a field, you're in trouble. All of the data will be lost if that happens. You need to make sure to fully map out your plan of attack before creating an app, or you will end up with a mess of unnecessary fields and data. Reliability on services is something difficult. If something breaks, you will need to understand what is broken and alert QuickBase. Inability to take more than 3 attachments for a particular project seems space-limiting for larger endeavors. What is Samsara? Streamline your operations and reduce costs with Samsara's all-in-one platform for fleet management. Live to the second GPS tracking shows your vehicles in real time and pairs with read reports so you can plan better routes, dispatch drivers at the last minute, and share accurate ETAs with customers. With integrated dashcams, driver safety scores, and automatic alerts for speeding, idling, and geofences, Samsara helps you protect your business and asset. Samsara is an FMCSA-approved ELD. Best for enterprise businesses use Samsara to simplify their operations and reduce costs. Pros: the most useful feature is instant notifications by email or text when an alarm is triggered. GPS location displays are great and access to video clips is outstanding. We have had an excellent experience with our assigned representatives and appreciate the constant automatic software updates and Samsara's dedication to meeting DOT compliance as it changes. This soft has a stunning design. Bright. I can say maybe it's like the fresh design because you want to be in apps and design, not knowing. The cameras, vehicle monitoring, and GPS are excellent. Managers using the web app like the ability to check in on the cams as the drivers are on their delivery routes. Cons: Samsara is such a value-addictive software that it dampens my frustration with the many bugs and problems evident in rush development and pull testing for certain features. The customer service is bad. They charge you even if they send you the incorrect equipment and then refuse to credit your account. This is the worst company on the earth. Keep away. Also, could not pass the route larger than 20 stops. This is the limit built into Samsara. We can have routes up to 30 stops in a day. What is GPS Insight? GPS Insight is transforming how fleet and field service teams operate on the road and in the field by making physical operations safer and more straightforward. Our innovative solutions include GPS tracking, smart cameras, field service management, and ELD compliance management. Organizations across North America turn to us when they are sick of high fleet operating costs, are worried about safety on the roads, and have inefficiencies that waste time and money. Best for organizations of all sizes with vehicles, heavy equipment, trailers, and other assets looking for a partner that delivers actionable insights and the experience they expect and deserve. Pricing details. Prices vary depending on integrated device purchase or rental, type of GPS tracking device, update frequency, installation, add-ons, driver ID. Pros: we like the ease of setting up landmarks and that you are allowed to set up an unlimited number of landmarks. It's great to see where crews are at all times. Once we established proper connectivity, not an issue with the software functioned great. This was done as a demo to management and it worked great. I like the ability to check in real time on all of our assets mobile to ensure they are being used safely, effectively, and efficiently. This is very useful if you have a breakdown or accident because the people in the office can locate where you are to send help. Cons: GPS Insight is the most unprofessional company we have dealt with in several years. Tech support is always blaming the hardware installation, always wanting us to pull the truck off the road and troubleshoot the problem with them over the phone. Live update a bit slow and location accuracy sometimes affected by the weather. The ELD implementation was a complete failure due to hardware glitches and the software platform that were not ready for daily use. What is iAuditor? iAuditor is used to conduct over 2 million monthly inspections across all industries for safety, quality control, and operations. It is used by over 25,000 businesses worldwide to complete more than 600 million checks per day to improve safety and quality in their workplaces. All of the inspection data is captured in real time, allowing you to instantly identify missed inspections and failed items and rapidly mitigate risks. Best for safety culture. iAuditor is designed for companies who need to conduct safety inspections and quality audits to spot and resolve issues quickly and to improve operational efficiency across their teams. Pricing details. iAuditor is free. Simply download the app and log in using your iAuditor account from the mobile or web app. iAuditor offers several flexible plan types with added features on a per user per month basis. Premium, $19 per user per month, billed annually, and $24 per user per month. Pros: the scoring method is great. It helps with the performance of the cleaners and helps with getting certain tasks completed weekly. To be able to document written assessment audits, but be able to analyze their content into numbers and produce trends is a great ability that not many have not seen, others can easily do. It helps with scheduled maintenance and inspections, prompts user that checks are due, and then has the templates to use to complete the inspection and ability to highlight any issues. Excellent in capturing high-quality evidence and deliver into a report. Cons. The lack of persistent variables is one of the primary reasons my motorhome template is more than 7,000 items long. This means that the report was on fewer pages. A pity this option was removed. There are a few things missing. A supervisor who wants to review the inspector's work before sending it to the client cannot do without logging into the inspector's account. There are a few little bugs that show negative values on assets and findings.